Hey guys, I just caught a minnow. I'm going to be fishing for minnows and bluegills, but mostly minnows, chubs, whatever y'all like to call them. I'm going to be we're going to be using those for bait for catfish and bass, and I'm going to show you the pond. There's that pond. There's my buddy Tyler. And I'll come back with you whenever I catch another fish. Please stay tuned. Hope you enjoy. Hey guys, I'm back. I just caught another fish. I caught the biggest minnow I've ever caught.
Here's my hand.
That's his hand to it. It's bigger than his hand. I'll get back with you whenever I catch another bigger. Hey guys, we're back. He just caught a big. He's caught like.
Nope. Hey, big chub.
Looks like a bass. Looks like a striped bass.
I know, that's what I was saying. Here's some purpose for you. It's hard to do.
Well, that's our second big catch of the day. Well, minnow-wise. Later on, we'll be catching some bigger ones than this, baby. Throw him back in. There's that one. And I caught the biggest one. At least the fattest one.